Secondly, this is speed race. So I do not want to hear dragging answers. The value of x is, I'm asking you to give me the value of x. So don't tell me the value of x. Just tell me x is 5, x is 7, x is 2. And I don't want to hear a fraction with numerator. No, we are not doing tortoise race. It's a speed race. So even if you want to say that, a fraction with numerator, I said it. Did it take me 10 seconds to say it? So let's do the speed, okay? Are we on the same page? Kofi Agyei, Ghana Senior High, Presbyterian Boys. Let's start round 2. But it's sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana for every life, for every future. Presbyterian Boys, you press your bell. You are testing it. Oh, I see. Okay, then all of you test your bells. Kofi Agyei. Okay, so they are all working. Question 1, 30 seconds. If f of x equals x cubed minus ax squared plus bx plus 8 is divisible by x minus 2 and x plus 2, find a and b. Presbyterian Boys.
A equals 2 and B equals -4.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. Given that x squared y minus xy squared equals 15, find dy dx. Yes, Kofi Agyei.
dy over dx is equal to a fraction with numerator 2xy minus y squared, and that with denominator 2yx minus x squared.
Yes. Seconds. Find the inverse of the linear transformation T of xy given as 2x plus 3y, comma, x plus 2.
T yes. Inverse of x, y maps onto 2x minus 3y, comma, negative x plus 2y.
Yes. Seconds. What resource would plants in a rainforest most likely compete for? Presbyterian Boys.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. Next 10 seconds. What name is given to the simple eyes of Kata? Yes, Presbyterian Boys.
Ostia.
No.
Omitidia.
Who pressed next? Yes.
Omitidia.
Omnitidia. No. What name is given to the simple eyes of caterpillar that were formerly termed lateral ocellia? You will raise for 1 point. A stemmata, or singularly it's known as stemma. You've learned something new today. 10 seconds. How do mushrooms get the...
Sir, madam, mushrooms
Oh, go on.
they digest food extracellularly by releasing digestive enzymes into the substrate, thereby which digest the food, and it is now absorbed by the rhizoid, by the mushroom to perform its life activities.
No. Who pressed next? Okay. How do mushrooms get the necessary nutrition for growth? So all I was looking for is they absorb organic matter from the surrounding environment. You said they digest the organism, the substrate.
Yes,
you
the
said
food.
they digest the substrate.
Yeah, that's the food.
Yes, before they absorb.
Yeah, they have to digest it extracellular before they absorb it.
That's not the answer I have, so I won't accept that.
Okay.
Next 30 seconds. Calculate the number of moles of methanol in 160 centimeter cube of a 50.0% volume by volume aqueous methanol, given that the specific gravity of methanol is 1.0 grams. Kofi Agyei.
80 grams.
Incorrect. Presbyterian boys.
5.00 moles.
No. Specific gravity of methanol is 1.0 grams per centimeter cube. .5 moles. Next 30 seconds, given that 0.084 moles of a compound A2B3 weighs 12.6 grams, determine the atomic mass of element A if the atomic mass of element B is 18 grams per mole. Presbyterian boys?
48 grams per mole.
Yes, that's correct. Next. What is the total number of atoms in one formula unit of the simplest compound that can be formed between two elements with 6 and 3 electrons in their valence shell? Presbyterian boys?
5.
5. Next question, 30 seconds. Young's modulus for a polymer blend is 1.5 gigapascal. Calculate the strain in a 36 centimeter polymer rod when the stress in it is 48 kilopascal. Presbyterian boys?
It is 3.2 by 10 raised to the power 7.
Incorrect.
3.
1.
3.
Kofi Agyei, please go on.
3.2 by 10 raised to the power -5 newtons.
Incorrect. You missed the units. It's meters, not newtons. So it is 3.2 times 10 to the power -5 meters. Next, Next 30 seconds. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of an object sliding down a smooth plane, inclined at 45. Kofi Agyei. Kwabna.
Okay. It is 7.0 meters per second squared.
Incorrect. Inclined at 45 degrees to the horizontal. Presbyterian boys?
7.1 meters per second squared.
No. .9 meters per second squared. Last question for round 2. Find the work done by 5.0 moles of an ideal gas whose volume increases from 1.8 times 10 to the power negative 4 meter cube to 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 4 meter cube at a constant pressure of. Yes, Kofi Agyei.
Okay, it is 7.0 kilopascal. 7.0 kilojoules.
No. At a constant pressure of 5.0 times 10 to the power 4 pascal. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
7.0 by 10 raised to the power 1 joules.
No.
7.0 joules.
Yes. And that ends round 2.